Worried about your plants dying while you're on vacation? The Smart Automatic Plant Watering System 03051 can water up to 20 potted plants with Alexa control and an intelligent app. Is it worth $60 in 2025? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartBloom. I'm your favorite YouTuber, and we review smart gardening gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we're testing the Smart Automatic Plant Watering System 03051. Perfect for plant lovers in the USA, EU, and beyond. Hit subscribe for more. Subscribe. The Smart Automatic Plant Watering System 03051 is a high-tech drip irrigation kit for up to 20 potted plants. Priced at around $60, it features an intelligent software app, a programmable timer, and Alexa compatibility for hands-free control. With dual pump operation, it delivers strong water pressure, and its water-saving design uses drip technology to reduce waste by up to 70%. Perfect for indoor plants in your living room, bedroom, or balcony. Let's talk features. The programmable timer lets you set custom watering schedules for each plant, with durations from 20 seconds to 30 minutes. It's compatible with Alexa, so you can say, "Alexa, water my plants." The dual pump system ensures strong water pressure for up to 20 pots, and the intelligent app lets you control everything remotely. Plus, its drip irrigation saves 70% more water compared to traditional methods. Let's dig deeper. I tested this system with 15 potted plants in my Florida apartment, and setup took just 10 minutes. Clip it to a bucket, lay out the tubes, and connect the drippers. The app is user-friendly, letting me set schedules for my succulents and ferns separately. The dual pump worked great, watering all plants evenly, even 10 feet away. However, some users note the tubes can clog if you don't use the filter properly. Clean it regularly. Battery life lasts about a week with USB power, but it lacks a low water alert, so check the tank before leaving. Users in the EU love the Alexa feature, though some in the USA mention occasional app glitches. Overall, a lifesaver for vacations. Here's the good and the not so good. Pros. It waters up to 20 plants with strong pressure, saves 70% water, and Alexa control is super convenient, perfect for busy plant parents. Cons: tubes can clog without regular cleaning, there's no low water alert, and the app can glitch occasionally. Still a great tool for indoor gardening. Who should buy this system? It's perfect for plant lovers in the USA, EU, or Canada with up to 20 potted plants who travel often or forget to water. Great for indoor spaces like balconies or offices. If you love smart home gadgets and want to save water, this is for you. It's not ideal for outdoor use in heavy rain or if you can't maintain the tubes. Ready to keep your plants happy while you're away? Grab the Smart Automatic Plant Watering System 03051 on Amazon for around $60. Link in the description. How do you care for your plants when you travel? Share your tips in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to SmartBloom for more smart gardening reviews.